Well, here we are again with another package for video review. Pretty big. I don't know what it is. I know it comes from China. It went through the JFK airport. Let's see what it is. These are the seat covers for a Honda Accord 2013, I believe it is. So we're gonna keep it in the box and take them this weekend to install them. So here we are with our favorite old Accord 2013, and we have the seats here, the seat covers I mean, and the color is almost the same, a little lighter. You can see this one showing the age, especially the one in the driver. Let's go on that side. Wow, this one really needs it, so I'm glad we were able to get him. So let's do this. So these are supposed to fit perfectly. Let's see. So here's a first look to the front seats. Looks like a brand new car. The only problem now is that here in the middle, this part looks like 20 years old, not 15. So, and when we try to clean it, it starts breaking up. So maybe this company can make a cover for that or something, because the seats look amazing, but this cover, the contrast is too much now. So here we are, and the front seats look amazing, especially that hole that you were sitting on.
Yeah, every time I would sit on the hole, it would get bigger, and now this solved my problem.
It's like, and it looked very comfortable. Why don't you sit and see how it feels? I don't know if there's extra padding, I guess, huh?
Oh yeah, it's a lot more comfortable. It's crazy.
Excellent. So the front seats fit perfectly. The ones in the back use a lot of Velcro and stuff, but they look good. But you don't have many passengers either, right?
Nah.
We'll finish the adjustments, but yeah, the only downside to this is this centerpiece.
Yeah,
that,
but we can probably get a cover for it now.
Yeah, let's research on Google, or maybe this company should make something like this to match. I mean, it wouldn't be that difficult. So
yeah, probably something
we have an idea. Exactly, a tie-in or paint or something. So
thank you.
Enjoy your car for the next 20 years.
Thank you. It's great.
All these marks will adjust with the heat, especially here in Miami. So there you go, brand new Honda Accord. The color almost is a perfect match. So let's work on that centerpiece.